Carl's Jr. is famous for the charbroiled everything, including their charbroiled milkshakes. I'm kidding, they don't do that. What they do is make some really good charbroiled chicken sandwiches. And I've covered the other two, the Club and the Santa Fe. This is the Charbroiled BBQ Chicken Sandwich. But I did something special to it. You're gonna have to stick around to watch this video to find out, because you're gonna wanna know how to make that, because you can't get that there. I'm gonna show you a couple secrets to make it even better. If you already love this sandwich, you're gonna love it even more, but you're not gonna love it until we get started. Prepping our chicken's pretty easy. We're just going to take some teriyaki sauce, put it in a zip-top bag, and that is our marinade. Yes, all the chicken has the same marinade on it. Doesn't matter what it is. We're going to take a chicken breast. We're going to slice it in half here. We're going to cut this down to roughly about bun size. Now we're going to pound it with a mallet, because that helps with the texture and makes it much easier to eat and chew and all that stuff. So we're just going to throw that in the bag, let that marinate overnight if you can, or at least a couple hours. Throw this on a nice smoking hot grill. Put a little extra marinade on there to make it super yummy, and cook this until it's done. That grill probably maybe wasn't hot enough, but it's hard to get a really good char on this with all that wet marinade. Just do the best you can. Make sure it's fully cooked, because raw chicken kills people. That's what it looks like, and there you go. The whole wheat buns just go in a frying pan with some butter in there, just to get the edges a little bit crispy and make them even more yummy. All right, we made the sandwich, we made all the stuff, it's time to assemble this. I'm gonna do something different though, because their sandwich is a little boring, a little not creative. So what if they had a deluxe version of the sandwich? I know, basically you just put down your tomato, your lettuce, and tomato, lettuce. Then we put down our chicken. Yes, the piece of chicken looks a little weird. Chicken sometimes gets weird, the shape of it. It'll work, it'll taste just fine, trust me. All right, now we slather barbecue sauce on this and put a bun on it. Really? Okay, I think we can do better. I know we can do better, and I'm gonna show you how to do better. First of all, this needs a little cheese, right? Okay, so we're gonna take some Swiss cheese, because Swiss cheese on chicken is really, really good. And what does every barbecue love? Bacon. So we've got our veggies on the bottom here. Plus, this looks a little dry, if I'm being honest. Could you put a little mayo on that? Yeah, you could. I'm not going to, just because it's going to be too far from it, but if you like mayo and you don't like a dry sandwich, put a little mayo on there. Anyways, there. 3 slices of bacon, because I have them and I don't have to worry about corporate profits or anything else. So we got our bacon going down. Now, here's the thing. If I put the cheese up, then I got to put the barbecue sauce directly on the cheese. No, that's bad. Put the cheese down. That's right, cheese on bacon. That's the way you do that. Okay, now barbecue sauce. Their barbecue sauce is a little tangy. So this is the one that I found really comes pretty close. Your opinion may vary, every taste bud is different, but this one right here, the Stubbs Original, is pretty close. It's a tangy sauce, it's a little sweet, a little heat, a little peppery, and it comes pretty darn close. It's not very sweet, but it's not super vinegary. And barbecue sauce, I will tell you that it takes way more barbecue sauce than you would ever imagine it would take. It does, because it does. And then the bun goes on top. Now that is how they should be making their barbecue chicken sandwich. Am I wrong? Leave me a comment, let me know. What would you do different to that? But that right there makes it a barbecue deluxe chicken sandwich, or the deluxe barbecue chicken sandwich, or the barbecue chicken sandwich deluxe. Either one of those will work, trademarked, and send me money, because I think that's the way it should be. Shouldn't it? Let me show you this right here in this camera, and you tell me if that is not a better chicken sandwich. It is. Come on. It is. Right? Yeah. She's a beauty, and I'm going to have to shoot a couple of pictures of this real quick before I dig into it. So be patient with me. All right, I am back. I'm going to cut into this thing and show you the cross section of it, because, hey, that's going to make you want to eat it more, right? Exactly. All right, so let me just... Okay, so the bacon went all this way, so I want to cut it this way. Yeah, you got to make sure you cut across the bacon. This is incredibly important. Otherwise, the bacon can squirt on you. This way you get good bacon displacement in here. All right, that's what it all comes down to. Oh. Okay, this chicken has the horseshoe shape in it, so it looks like there's a void there. There kind of is, but it'll be okay. You got your tomato, your lettuce, your cheese, your bacon, your chicken, your barbecue sauce, and the authentic wheat buns as they used to be. Why don't they do that anymore? God, I have no idea, but this thing is making a mess. Oh. Now, if I bite into that, it'll be the last video I ever make. My wife's gonna kill me because that's hers. She called dibs on this one, and so I don't get to eat that. There you go. So I have to end this video quickly because it's gonna get cold, and that doesn't make it taste better. So I'm gonna say thank you for watching this. If you wanna eat a better barbecue chicken sandwich than the one you can get at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's, now you know what to do to it. If you wanna order it with extra bacon and cheese, now you know how to make it even better, except they're gonna do it wrong. They're gonna put it in the wrong place. It has to go where it is. So good luck to you. My suggestion is get cooking, because that's how you're gonna make the best chicken sandwich you can possibly have, and you're gonna use this knowledge to do that. And I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.